those of you that aren't at a table, after I give the instructions, if you'd like to join, we'd love to have everybody, you know, just shove in. We'll get more chairs. Be cozy, be neighborly. We like one person at the table who has a pencil to take their agenda and turn it over and be the note keeper. And essentially we have 3 questions here. It is, the title is Once in Dreams, although you've probably now heard 4 or 5 times, realistic Once in Dreams. Question number 1, what did you purchase at L&L and why, and other reasons you went there? So the first thing we'd like the tables to talk about is just, you know, when did you go? What did you actually buy? Did you go because you liked to run into neighbors? You know, what are other reasons you went? Was it comfortable for other reasons? So we just want sort of a sense from your table of why you went there up until now. The second question, what would you support to go in now? Okay, so what would you actually frequently shop at? And that includes the table talking about how many times per week do you go. You might start like with Rite Aid. Let's start with one that's there, or Quality Dairy. How many times a week do you guys usually use one of those establishments? So get yourselves thinking about frequency of shopping, and I put scope of articles, which probably sounds bizarre. It's the way my brain's working tonight. But you know, was it just milk? Or is it milk and cheese and almond chips for your salad and dressing and a bottle of wine? Probably also how my mind's working tonight. So this sense of, you know, why did you go in the first place? And what do you feel you're not able to get? Or what is it that you want? And how often would you go to that new establishment? And then the third question, which is kind of an interesting one, if we were going to send a basket around and ask everybody if we were going to make a cooperative and you were going to put your own money in, what do you think would survive? If I was going to take 50 bucks of my own money and invest it in an establishment, what do I think would get me a return on that $50? So in other words, think about this as if it was your own money. When you are thinking about what you want, what do you believe would actually survive? What would you want to invest in? We're not asking anybody to do that, by the way. We're not going to send a basket around.